Alright guys, I know a lot of you guys might be wondering why would I purchase another coffee machine than another Breville Burista Pro machine, and it's because I've been loving my Espresso machine from Breville with the milk jug that you can heat up the milk, and I've been loving it. And recently I've been really into coffee and trying to explore coffee beans. So I've been wanting to try some espresso and mix with my milk, and you guys know I'm a latte milk coffee drinker and I don't drink coffee by itself. So with this machine I can do both at the same time, and with fresh coffee, fresh beans and fresh grind, and it tastes so much different than having an espresso pot that the grind has been there for about probably a month or two. You don't know how long it has been in the pot, but with this Breville Burista Pro you are able to grind your own coffee. That is why I am really looking for the new machine, and I know it's a big upgrade, and I did a lot of research, and I'm gonna let you guys know in another video why would I choose this Breville Burista Pro instead of the original one. So this exact model that I have here is Breville 878 model, and the original one, which is a lot of people have them and it's more affordable price, and those are in the model 870. But I can really tell you guys like in-depth details of why would I purchase this instead of the 870, but I will go in depth everything in the next video once I figure everything out, because right now I'm still trying to figure out how to make a cup of coffee. But there's a lot to learn in this machine. You have to learn about the grind size, your beans, and how long would it express your coffee, how many seconds, and the weight of your coffee. And then after that I have to learn about how to heat up my milk. So with that being said, this is definitely a more professional, more advanced, and if you guys are a coffee lover, I highly recommend it because you can grind your fresh coffee. And I just have another thing that I am looking for to wake up in the morning and figure out how to make my cup of coffee, get out of bed, kind of like my New Year resolution, get out of bed and try new things, learning new things, getting into coffee. So my first cup of coffee is a fail, but I want to record how my first cup of coffee looks like. It looks ridiculous because the milk is not fully heated up in a way that I want it to be. I mean, there's a learning curve, so this is my first cup of coffee and I'll be showing you guys my learning curve, my process if you guys are interested on that, and I'll give you guys an update. So that is basically my Breville Burista Pro 878 model unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and leave a comment down below if you guys have the same model and how you guys like it. Is there any video that you watch it helps you to learn how to make a cup of coffee? So let me know in the comments down below, and then if you guys want to see more content with my coffee machine, make sure to subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.